Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to be painting fast-moving water in acrylics. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy, we teach the world to paint. Subscribe to this channel for more helpful acrylic painting content. Hit the bell icon when subscribing to be notified of our upcoming videos. For this technique, we'll use a 1/2-inch flat brush, a small round brush, and an even smaller round brush or detailer brush. You will also need primary blue, white, and black paint. Let's get started. The first step is to paint the entire canvas with primary blue using the 1/2-inch flat brush. Avoid fussing over perfection here because this will serve as the toning layer. Use the 1/2-inch flat brush to do this step, although a bigger brush will make things quicker for you. Take as much time as you need and enjoy getting the first layer of paint onto the canvas using side-to-side brush strokes. Using a larger brush will help you do this faster. It's okay to pause this video or take a break whenever needed. Keep making horizontal brush strokes across the canvas until it's covered completely. Even out the paint to your liking and then let it dry. Mix some blue with black to create dark blue paint. This will serve as the low light for this painting. The second step is to paint horizontal wavy lines in the deepest blue using a flat brush. Add these wavy lines all over the canvas, as seen here. You want the lines to be evenly spaced and like they move horizontally across the canvas. Add these wavy lines all over the canvas, as seen here. Don't worry about perfecting them, we'll blend them in the next step. Your painting doesn't have to look exactly like ours, so take a deep breath and keep on enjoying the process of getting paint onto the canvas. Great work! Keep taking as much time as is necessary for you to like the look of your work. For the second step, we'll use the same technique with primary blue. Paint the horizontal wavy lines below the deepest blue lines, blending the two colors together where they meet. Don't cover your previous work. Paint with primary blue in between the darker wavy lines. Use wavy, slicing lines above or below the dark portions. As the first layers dry, let's fortify any thinly painted areas. You'll be using primary and dark blue for this, and it's okay to switch back and forth and blend as you go. There is no need to redesign this style, just fortify what you have already painted and enjoy the process of getting paint on the canvas. Clean your brush, use primary blue to layer the medium blue parts of this image. We are fortifying and relayering your previous work, there's no need to redesign the style. Simply find the medium blue areas and add more paint to create boldness of color. Do the same thing for areas of low light. This step assures that the canvas is adequately covered and the color is bold. Keep taking as much time as is necessary for you to like the look of your work. Great job! Now, for the next step, we'll use the small round brush to add highlights in the lighter shades of blue. You can mix light blue by adding plenty of white to a bit of blue. With the small round brush, add highlights to the tops of the ripples in the lighter shades of blue. This will create the illusion of sunlight reflecting off the moving water. Avoid covering your previous work and add these light blue pieces to areas you haven't painted. Remember, there's no need to cover your previous work, just add these lines in between the other colors added. It's okay to switch the type of color you're working with, just do what feels right. Keep adding these highlight areas around the canvas, as you see here. Add as many or as few areas as you wish. Blend while the paint is wet, add small bits of blue and dark blue as needed while blending. It's okay to pause this video or take a break whenever needed. Be proud of yourself for trying something new. Finally, for the last steps, we'll use the smaller round brush or detailer with very light blue to add another layer of highlights on top of the lightest areas on the canvas. This will help these colors pop and help to convey light. As necessary, clean this brush and use the varying shades of blue to blend these wavy lines together in a way that looks like swiftly moving water. You may have to switch colors periodically and blend where necessary as you finish this up. If you are interested in learning new techniques for painting water and seascapes, take our free guided seascape painting course. Check out the description below for more information on how to enroll. Remember to practice blending the colors together until you're happy with the result. And there you have it, fast-moving water in acrylics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Share this video with a creative friend who may need it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful acrylic painting content like this. Begin your acrylic painting journey by taking one of our free courses. Just visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses to get started.